Hello, I'm Adam, and today I've got Dji Osmo Action 5 Pro, and yeah, I decided to swap my old Sony Action cam that I was using on my scooter, and as you can see, yeah, it got some scratches, but to be honest, this waterproof case and its shape was wonderful. Because even on a motorcycle, if you mounted it on your helm, it didn't act as one big tarp taking all the wind, but it was slim. And that's why I went with the Sony. But unfortunately, Sony didn't update any of their action cams. So it's still pretty good 1080p without any stabilization, etc. And that's the reason. But it was very good camera. I must leave that. And there we've got the Dji Osmo Action 5 Pro. Why DJI, not GoPro? Because I specialize in this topic, and unfortunately, or fortunately, DJI just has, there is no comparison between DJI and GoPro in terms of brightness, I mean the dark light conditions, overheating, etc, etc, etc. So I just don't want to focus there on why this is better than other, whatever. I will focus there on unboxing, on 1TB SD card support, and maybe we'll dive into a few options that I think will be very nice. So let's unbox it. What? Okay. Okay, I thought it would be safer packed, but okay. And there we've got the camera, and okay, tighten the protective cover before taking the water. Oh, it's rubber. Okay, that's how the camera looks like, and let me take the Sony, and let's take it off. And what we can see, two displays without anything on the screen. That's sad. And to be honest, about the same size, but of course the recording orientation is like totally different. Yeah, so it's same like I would drive on Sony in 90-degree angle, but anyway. It's very light. I hope it's without the battery. And okay, what? That's my first time with the current action cams. So I see that they got pretty minimized. Okay, so next there is DJI forum, DJI store. Great. Nothing there. Okay, so accessories. And what we've got there. I like this packaging because this is a little bit better quality, the pouch, but no anything to cover. Okay, so we've got like frame which will protect the camera itself. Instead of remember, there were cameras that were not waterproof. Okay, and to be honest, it's pretty stiff. I mean, it could cover camera from every angle, and that would be okay. But let me find the correct. Oh, like this. And how it should go? Okay. Maybe now it looks ugly, especially in this perspective, but to be honest, wow, I mean, we are getting it out of the box, yeah, so that's great that we've got that, but okay, let me take it out. Okay, and what we've got there, we've got mounts, we've got no idea what's that. And we've got, oh, rounded mount for your helmet. And yes, because I've got some GoPro mounts, so yeah, that's good that there is an adapter, and yeah, just screw it. And okay. How does the mechanism feels like in person who didn't had any chance with anything other? Because okay, it was uneven. Guys, I'm noob or it's... No. Adverts were, yeah, it's locked and it's, yeah, it's fine, but adverts were showing that it's like, and you are done, and as you can see, no, you are not. So that's not like 1 second click, because, okay, maybe I need to practice, but yeah, I think no one showed you that before, or I'm that dumb. Whatever. Okay, so there it will be. Oh, okay, there goes battery and the SD card. I must show you something in Sony. Sony was great because there you've got combo SD card slot or the M2, the Sony, yeah, standard, whatever. And as you can see, those cards share one slot. So as you can see, I've got inserted my SD card, yes? And let me show you in which direction. As you can see, it's yeah, logo on the right, yeah? That's how it was. Oh my gosh, let me push it. Yeah, that's how it goes, yeah? But if you are in a hurry and do it wrongly, see that? Of course, yeah, there is a icon showing you the correct direction, but if you are in a hurry and you don't realize, and yeah, and you put it wrong and close there, take on scooter, gear up, and you realize that SD card is in the wrong position because the camera is not recording. Great, yeah? Yeah, I need to, yeah, congratulations, Sony. It was great. Finally. I won't make that mistake again. I assume pins are to the main board, so yeah, not the casing, so like this. And yeah. Okay, and what battery I will have? I'm not sure if one battery is enough, but it should last for a lot, like 2 hours or something. 1950 milliamp hour battery. I saw there are a little bit bigger, but yeah, but it's lithium ion. There are polymer batteries, and yeah, whatever. So like this. Okay. And let's power it on. Wow, instantly. Oh, gyroscope, wow. And the touchscreen, of course. Well, there is a Polish language, but okay, let's go with English. Scan QR code to download Dji Mimo and connect camera to activate. I'm afraid that it will update, so I will do that and we'll see what will happen. Okay, I'm back, and yeah, that's what I was showing you. We've got the gyroscope there. Okay, I will uncover the lens. Yeah, it's beautiful. We got a screen on the front, which is amazing. It's Titan. Oh my gosh. The display is so bright. I mean, it takes it very bright, and wow, I'm impressed. I mean, the OLED display makes a lot of great job. Yeah, that's my first impression. Okay, but yeah, how noob would navigate that? Because yeah, I'm noob. I just in the Sony, I just was like one press and you've got just it will turn off. Yeah, you just press menu and go through some options and you got up, down, confirm, and that was it. Yeah. Okay. I see that. Okay, we've got something like there, choosing which. Yeah. How to go? Okay. Oh, the field of view is pretty big, and yeah, so there I was able to choose pictures, videos, etc. Okay, and that's same. How to exit that, like Pro? Ah, okay. Okay, left or right, it doesn't matter. Up. Oh my gosh. SD card. Okay, so I can choose between internal storage or SD card, where I have to record that. That's pretty wow, and I didn't expect that. But why I was looking for the SD card, because there was no pop-up like format SD card or do anything, and I mean format before using, which is totally standard. So I think like it got yeah, it got formatted at the very beginning, which is okay, but yeah, I think even internal memory, why not? Okay, and as we can see, Samsung the Samsung Pro Plus 1 terabyte is working. I mean, it's detected, etc. And a lot of options there. Like I have no idea. Yeah, some random icons, no idea what's that. And up, okay, there I've got. One moment. I want to be in a photo, not a photo, video. Oh my gosh, but the display is great. Oh, that's okay, remember the setting. Okay, 4K 60 wide. Oh my gosh, very wide, and even we are, yes, and yeah, and narrow, and we've got Rocksteady Plus, horizon balancing. Do you see that? Like, I can move camera like 45 degrees, and yeah, it looks like it's steady. That's killer feature compared to yeah, a Sony Action Cam, for example. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I think summarize. Oh no, I have to because yeah, we can record in D-Log and as you can see, everything is like grayed out, but later in post-production you will paint it and you will get amazing colors. That's another reason why I went with DJI, yeah? Of course, I need to learn how to do that and yeah, how to exit that, okay. Okay, so summarizing, a lot of options, and it's totally different level comparing to the older action cam. I'm shocked that they went that far, and wow, to this place, and yeah, wow, I'm impressed. And to be honest, I paid $290. To be honest, that's not a deal breaker, yeah. For that, what it's offering, of course, the whole environment, the application, account, that's yeah, a different story, but a lot of options, a lot of capabilities, and wow, I'm shocked.